Janet, I give you this ring as a pledge of my dedication to your welfare and our family. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
When then, I gratefully accepted with the promise to share the responsibility of upbuilding a Christian woman and the pledge of my dedication to you, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Bless, O Lord, this holy Bible, grant that it may be a light to their feet and a lamp unto their path. May your word always guide them. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.